Today I'm going to make for you a Princess and the Pea crown. I got the idea last night when I was frolicking through a meadow with my son Finn, and we came across a huge patch of wild pea. Which looks like this. They look like sweet peas, but they don't smell like sweet peas. And I picked a few and I put them in my purse and I brought them home and I thought, pea, Princess and the Pea. Could I make a crown that was inspired by the Princess and the Pea? Yes, I can, and I'm gonna try doing it right now. Peony. What does this have to do with Princess and the Pea? Well, I was trying to think of things that would look sort of like the layers of mattresses. I should probably tell you the story of the Princess and the Pea. So you know what I'm talking about. So there was once a prince who needed a princess and he could never find one. And he had this test to see if the girls that he was meeting were true princesses. And his test was piling a bunch of mattresses on a bed and having her spend the night, and he would put a pea at the very bottom of the mattresses. And if she had trouble sleeping, that meant she was a princess. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's cute. So this is my layers of mattresses. See the sort of ruffly, bedspready blankets? This is called Love in a Mist. The actual flower, just a sec. This is what the actual flower looks like. These are so pretty. It's kind of hard to see it, but they have like these tendrils coming off of them. Do you see that? Sort of out of focus. But I thought that they looked kind of like pillows, like poofs that you'd put on a bed. So these are going on. Striped pillows. Then I have hypericum berries, which look like peas. They're not peas, but for the sake of this crown, I'm putting them on. So it kind of looks like peas for my Princess and the Pea. Now I'm actually going to get to the pea part. My wild peas. I wish I had sweet peas in my garden right now. I've had them the last couple of years, but I didn't do any seeds this year. Oh, so pretty. I'm going to do a few more with that. I love the tendrils of peas. The way they curl up things. Beans are similar, bean stalks. Then I have this. It's called crown vetch. It's a type of vetch. Makes a little crown. And it's in the pea family. It was in that same meadow. And with this, you can see the tendrils a little better. Let's see. That is so happy looking. I'm gonna bring some over here. Poke out the side. And then I have more of the vetch in a yellow color. Looks kind of golden. More like a crown, I think. So when she couldn't sleep, she could get her crown. I'm a princess then, because I have trouble sleeping too. Just checking my bed for peas. Let's see. It's pretty. Put one in the middle. Row of threes. Now it's kind of hard to see my pillows, so I'm going to add a few more of those as well. This is the happiest crown. Just have them sticking out like that. I like that. I didn't know if I'd need it or want it. But this bed needs to be piled high with those mattresses. So putting more peony. And more pea. It's so pretty. I love this pea. It's I think it's wilting, and that's what's causing this color, but I love the progression of purple to blue. I've seen sweet peas like that, but I don't think I've ever seen a wild pea with that. You see that? I love peony buds. I want to put that right there. I have to be careful because I'm running out of space for the thing. The only really necessary thing in this whole crown. Can you guess what it might be? Peas. I found some English peas at the market. And this one, out of a whole tub of peas, this one had a vine on it. And I want to open it up so that when I put it in my hair, you can see all the peas inside there. Oh my gosh, I love it. Perfect. So I want to have some of this vine showing, some of the pea, add a few more of my fake peas. More my wild pea. Then tuck in some more. This is really fun. Let me open these up. Really gently. I could even have it hanging like that. It's all kind of stuck together. Let's steal one. So that's it. That's my Princess and the Pea flower crown. I hope you enjoyed it. I guess I'm a princess.